हेलो एवरीवन, आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे हाउ वन रिलेटिव मेड फ्रॉम 1 lakh to around 44 lakh. Where actually he have invested and what is the time period for that investment. I'm going to show the stocks. Let's look at how actually and what price actually he have considered for the buying and the date. So the buying date is around 23rd Jan 2009. Everyone knows that 2008 crisis, and in between that crisis actually he have invested the money at the 35.63 rupees. And what is the number of shares he bought? Around 2806 share bought, and the total investment actually he have made is around 1 lakh rupees. Now the question is at what price he have sold all the 2806 stocks. So now let's look at the selling price and selling date. So selling date is around 30th September 2022, and he have sold all the money from at 1573 rupees 0.60. He have sold all the money at 1573.60 paise. Now the number of shares he sold as 2806, and now total return if you consider here is around 44,13,838 rupees. Now the question is which stock this is. So before looking at the stocks, let's look at the Nifty at 2009. So in 2009, if you consider 23rd Jan, so in 23rd Jan 2009 the Nifty is around 2678. And now the Nifty is around 17,300 rupees. Now look at the graph of this Nifty. The Nifty is going in upward direction. It in 2020 actually, around 2020 it came down around 8,660, but it again moved. Now the trend is looking in upward direction. In future also trend will be look like this only, but in between you will see that some ups and downs. So in that case you have to be patient. But now look at this the share where actually you have invested the money. So in around 23rd Jan, so if you see 23rd Jan 2009, so this is 23rd Jan 2009, and it is that share tire is around 35.30 rupees. He has bought at 35.63, and now look at this September 2022. So if you look at this 9th September 2022, it is around 1380, and now at 23rd September 2022, when it is around 1545. He has sold all the shares on 30th September. So now look at this, he have how much patience he have. So when he bought at 35.63 rupees, the graph is going in downward direction. But since he have patience, and from 2009 to 2013, if you consider 2013 also, it will be good. But in that range, that stock price is ranging from 35 to 161 rupees. It has a steady growth. Now after 2013, the graph have given the more and more return, but at the same time the stock have some certain ups and downs. Now if you look at this 12th Jan 2018, at that point the stock price have fallen lot, and it is come around 7,749 rupees, but still he have not sold any shares because his vision is around 13 to 15 years. So now again if you look at this, the graph is going upward, and on 19th March 2021 it is around 1,572, and it is again coming down, and at 2022 July, if you see, the stock price is around 937, and it is again going up. So it is now around 15,072 rupees. Now why there is ups and downs? Because there are some fundamental events actually this share tires have. So because of that there are some certain ups and downs. Now one might be thinking like, why he have not sold all the shares at in 1st December 2017, because around 17,043 value is there. But honestly speaking, there is no one in this stock market who can tell you the exact price at what price we have to sold all the stocks. So based on your returns, based on your percentage returns and your number of years, you can decide your money to when to withdraw that money. Now the question is whether we can invest the money in this entire at this moment or not. So for detailed analysis of the stocks, I will make a one separate video. So if you want that video, then please comment on please comment it. So along with that, please share, subscribe and like this video. For more analysis of the stocks and whether to invest in the stocks or not, so my personal view I will tell you in that video by considering the fundamental thing and by analyzing some of the concepts. If you want that video, then please comment it, and in the next video I will do all the analysis of the stocks. Also, I will give you the similar stocks which will give you the best return in the futures if your vision is around 13 to 15 years. So thank you for watching this video.